Stella, can you say, thank you, Abby?
Thank you, Abby.
Say, I love my pig.
I am bad.
Show her your pig. Show it to me. Shake it so she can hear the money. Say, I'm saving my pennies.
I say rain.
Yeah. Say, I named the pig Abby.
I am bad.
Abby. Say, Abby.
Abby.
There you go. Can you blow her kisses?
Ma.
Say, come home soon.
Come on. Home.
Say, I'm too big.
I too bad.
Show her how big you are. Can you do a funny face? Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,